Hello everyone, my name is Alex, and today I am in Berlin. I am so excited because this is my first time in Germany. I am walking through the streets like a tourist, and I want to share everything with you. The day is sunny, but the air is cool. I start near the Brandenburg Gate. It is very big and beautiful. Many people are here taking photos. I take out my camera and say, "Look, friends, this is one of the most famous places in Berlin." I smile and wave at the camera. Next, I walk down Unter den Linden Street. There are many shops, cafes, and people. I stop in front of a bakery and buy a pretzel. It tastes salty but very good. I tell my viewers, German bread is very famous, and this pretzel is perfect for breakfast. After that, I visit the Berlin Wall. I see the colorful paintings on the wall. Some pictures show peace, love, and freedom. I hold the camera close and say, this wall is very important in German. History. Now it is a place for art and memory. I feel a little emotional as I look at the drawings. Later, I go to a small cafe near Alexanderplatz. I order a cup of coffee and sit outside. Around me, people are walking fast, talking and shopping. I record myself and say, Berlin is full of life. You can hear many languages here. It feels international and modern. In the afternoon, I take the subway to the Berlin Cathedral. The building is huge, with a green dome on top. I show the cathedral to the camera and say, this church is more than 100 years old. It looks amazing. I also walk inside and record the beautiful paintings and high ceilings. Finally, when the sun goes down, I return to the Brandenburg Gate. The lights are shining, and the sky is turning orange and pink. I stand in front of the monument and finish my video. I say, thank you for joining me today in Berlin. I hope you enjoyed this little tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel stories. See you next time. Alex turns off the camera and smiles. It was a long day, but he is happy. He knows that his viewers will love the video, and he already dreams about his next trip.